welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and today you guys are in for a treat. It's giveaway time, woohoo! So I'm going to be giving away this mini blower, and also I will be including a set of my nozzles. Now these are mine, you can see there's paint, so yours will be paint free, but they come in a set of 3, and I am the original designer of these nozzles. Just an FYI if you don't know. But you will be getting the nozzles and the mini blower. So what you need to do is you need to, of course, subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Make sure to like the video and also share this video as well. Alright, I will have all of those in the description, so you can read that if you don't remember what to do. So the giveaway will be going for a couple weeks, and then I will, in a future video, couple weeks, I will be announcing the winner. Alright, so since I'm giving away a mini blower in today's video, I will be using my mini blower, and I've got the middle size attachment on it right now. And also this is a 6x6, I think the size, hexagon canvas. And the paints I will be using are DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer. I love the DecoArt Enchanted paints, and the shimmers are super, super pretty. I've got gold, magenta, blue, and also violet. Now it also comes in turquoise and green, but I am out, so I'm not using those. You know what, I think I might add the green. You know what? I'm going to put the green in there as well. And I use them so often that I finally got some little, I think these are 4 ounce. Yeah, 4 ounce bottles. So finally broke down and did that. And then for my base color, it's super gorgeous. I mixed a couple colors together. I've got the Pebeo Studio Acrylics Iridescent Violet Blue, and then I mixed the Holbein Luminous Violet. It's a tongue twister there for me, apparently I can't talk today. So Luminous Violet, and it's so, so pretty. I don't know if you can kind of see, it's got a little iridescence going on there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and get this canvas covered, and then I'll be able to get started. Like I said, I do have the medium size, middle size, I guess, nozzle there. And that's the one that I use mainly for when I first start, if I'm going to blow paint around. It's the one that concentrates the air the most, so you get more airflow out of this one. Alright, so let's see. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet. I guess we'll just start like this. Okay. And then, let's see, I started with violet. And then, now I'm going to do some blue, and let's do green next, and some gold, and now magenta.
right, everybody, here we go with the dried photos. And wow, I think this is my favorite so far of all of the paintings I've done with the Enchanted Shimmer. I am super happy that I added the green as well. You can see all of the colors. They are just gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share this video as well. Make sure you guys don't forget to enter the contest so you can win the mini blower and a set of my nozzles. Alright guys, also don't forget to check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all of your acrylic pouring tool needs. I do hope you enjoyed my video today. Good luck on the giveaway, and I've got a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.